This video is sponsored by Lightens, manufacturers of the original OAD pulley. Visit lightensaftermarket.com for more information.
I'm Andrew Markel, and I've got 2 power steering tips that you could use to service a vehicle when the power steering pump has failed. The first tip, check the pulley. Some power steering pumps will come with a pulley, some will not. So it's critical that you align the pulley to the vehicle. This way, you're preventing a lot of belt wear that can occur if the pulleys are misaligned. If the pulleys are misaligned, it's going to make a little bit of noise, but the belt is going to wear very, very fast due to the differences in the pulley and their alignment. Also, it pays to replace the belt. Typically, when a power steering pump fails, it leaks on the belt. And when this happens, well, the belt is contaminated and there is no way to recover the belt. You can't wash it clean. So you're always better off replacing the entire belt and also looking at the tensioner. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.